Alrighty, what's good everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com covering some Q&A that came in, and it was how is the carpet area calculated? So if you're trying to figure out how installers and stores break down the square footage of your room, your house, whatever, this will get you prepared before you go out shopping and get an idea of what you need. So the easiest way to break this down, let's imagine you got the bedroom, and a standard bedroom is about 11 by 15. Here's our little closet here. Here's our front door to the room. So 11 by 15. So how would you figure this for carpet? Well, carpet comes 12 foot wide. So you would actually have to figure a 12 by 15, and that converts to 12 times 15 is 180 square feet. Or divide that out by 9 and you have 20 square yards. So let's say you're doing rental properties and you're just looking for cheap carpet. You could expect to pay an installer doing it, if everything's empty and ready to go, some cheap carpet, pad and installation, about $12 a yard. Will be a get-in, just cheap, fuzzy type product there. So $240 a room if it's empty and ready to go. And obviously the sky's the limit from there. You can get some killer carpet for about $40 a yard, and that would take you to $800. So it depends on what you're after. If you're doing rental property type stuff, price yourself out. 12, 13, 14 a yard, depending upon where you're based at, will get you carpet, padding, and installation if the room's empty and ready to go. If it's for a personal house and you want to do it up real nice for yourself, you could be upwards of $40 a yard for carpet, padding, and installation. So this is just a quick breakdown of how carpet areas are calculated. If you're looking for installation tools, drop by Carpet Expert Blueprint.com, and we are doing a weekly drawing every week there. Just go ahead and sign up there, and we will send out a video emailing you, letting you know who the winner is. And if you don't get it that week, don't worry about it, because we have new winners every single week. We just consistently do new drawings. So once again, this is how the carpet area is calculated. Go ahead and comment below if you have any questions about the flooring industry, and I'll create a video for you. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.